Finally, time for another Say What You See, a very satisfying Say What You See. It's to do with places. Which famous event in exploration history is being spelt out here?
Shed, plate, king.
OK, let's go to some more. Finally, we had a Say What You See. Did you all get this?
Yep. Yes.
It was, of course...
Captain Scott's Arctic expedition.
Oh, no! Antarctic.
Yeah, Captain Scott's Antarctic expedition.
Oh, you got it, though?
Yeah, we almost got it. We had Mega Can.
Mega Can Scott's Arctic expedition.
But we
What was that? What was your first word?
Maga.
Mega Can, because that is a Make America Great Again cap.
Maga Can.
Maga Can.
How did you get Maga Can?
I thought it was like...
Captain.
Do you know what's crazy about us? Is that...
That's your answers.
No, that, like, we were able to get...
Maga Can.
Like, what's going on if we can figure out Antarctic expedition and then we...
Did you think Maga Can was the first person to go to the North Pole?
It sounds like Madagascar.
OK, points to Sandy and Joe, points to David and Frank.
Now, I'm going to point something out because I think someone will notice it on the telly, which is we got it wrong. We've said Captain Scott's Arctic expedition,
that is...
not Antarctic.
Oh, hang on.
Yes, and it makes a big difference because you said North Pole and it's South Pole.
It's the wrong pole.
Yeah.
OK, well, just points to Sandy and Joe there. You said exploration, not expedition, but we are going to give you the point.
Hang on.
Thank you.
Hang on a sec.
No.
We're not going to get any points just because we missed out one syllable.
We were in the right fucking part of the world.
Hang on. There's been a steward's inquiry. Points for Sandy and Joe, points for David and Frank, no points for Katherine.